Easiest countries for PR and citizenship in 2026? We compare the top 5 most realistic pathways. We'll break down PR pathways, time to citizenship, family benefits, jobs, costs, and language for each country. Canada offers express entry and provincial nominee programs. Both are structured, points-based pathways to permanent residency. Family reunification is strong, with broad benefits in healthcare, education, and a clear path to citizenship after 3 years. Australia's skilled migration, graduate, and family reunion visas target professionals and families. English skills are important here. Australia has generous social benefits, but urban living costs and competitive job markets can be a challenge for some families. New Zealand's work-to-residence pathway is favored for its clear process, many skilled jobs across health, tech, and trades. Citizenship can follow after 5 years. Life here is peaceful, but job opportunities and salaries are more limited than elsewhere. Portugal's Golden Visa and D7 options attract remote workers and families. Residency can lead to citizenship after 5 years. Lifestyle is affordable, with excellent healthcare and schooling. Basic Portuguese is required for full integration and citizenship. Germany's EU Blue Card offers residency through work, strong benefits, but language and integration can be challenging at first. Permanent residency is possible after 5 years, and citizenship after 8. Language proficiency is needed for long-term settlement. Let's compare years to citizenship, living costs, PR eligibility, family benefits, and language requirements side by side. Families may love Canada or Australia, tech professionals often choose Germany, and remote workers prefer Portugal or New Zealand. Your global future starts with one decision. Which country could launch your new chapter?